We're back with another chapter in the JPRO training video series. Today we'll teach you how to use the OEM application portal. As you've seen in previous videos, JPRO's broad coverage and capabilities make it a technician's go-to tool for diagnostics. However, during the diagnostic process, you may occasionally run into situations that call for special functions only available in the OE software. We've helped simplify this process by making it easy to launch OEM software directly from JPRO. To do this, select the OEM application portal button from the main toolbar. A pop-up window will list all previously purchased OE applications currently installed on the device. Applications that use a different connection type than JPRO will be found under the Other Applications tab. The following two tabs allow you to view service literature and parts from each OE. Please note that you will need an account and login credentials for many of these OE services. Finally, download links offer direct access to applications you can download free of charge. After you finish using the OE application, you can simply exit out of it and return to your JPRO connection to complete any additional diagnostics. Now you're ready to start accessing OE resources directly from JPRO.